Here we have for sale Roma. She's a 70-foot 0-inch traditional narrowboat. The shell is by Colecraft and was fabricated in 2008. Fit out was by the first owner and the boat was launched in 2011. She's been a proven liveaboard for the current owners since 2011. We'll go and take a look on board. So stepping on board from the trad stern into the engine room. Propulsion is by a Beta JD3 Tug diesel engine, 35 horsepower. Electrics down there are a Victron 3 kilowatt inverter charger. There's a 3.5 kilowatt engine driven generator. Batteries on board, you've got your starter battery, 2 bow thruster batteries and 4 cabin batteries, 120 amp hours each. There's also solar on the roof. Into the utility room. Set of side doors. There's actually 7 side doors on this boat. These 2 have got hatches over as well. You've got a bit of a breakfast bar area in the utility room for dining at. The freezer and plenty of storage. Laminate worktops. And then into the galley, washing machine and under counter fridge. You've got gas cooking, 5 burner hob and a separate oven and grill. The fit out is in ply, some of it's painted, some tiles as well. Into the saloon. Comfy sofa. More storage, plenty of storage on board Roma. Central heating is a Kabola combi diesel boiler, and you've also got the corner bubble solid fuel stove in the saloon here. There's underfloor heating in the shower room. The diesel boiler heats your hot water. So into the shower room, ceramic tiles on the floor, quadrant shower, wash basin and a composting toilet. And at the front of the boat you've got your bedroom. It's a permanent double berth, 6 foot by 4 foot, which extends to 5 foot wide. And leading out into the well deck. So we'll take another walk back through Roma. As I said, she's a 70-foot traditional stern narrowboat. She's been a proven liveaboard. Lots of space for living on the water. She's with us at North Kilworth Marina, so please give us a ring to book an appointment. She was last blacked in 2022 with 2-pack epoxy, and the engine was serviced by the owner in 2025. The engine only has 742 hours on it. Full specification, download the brochure, visit our website www.abnb.co.uk.